All right, so good morning, class. Today we are going to do a science project. So today we're going to do our science project. Today, you guys, I want you to go ahead and get your materials out. I'm going to tell you what exactly you need for this experiment. But first, I'm going to talk about the standard that we're going to be working on today is we're going to be summarizing the needs of living organisms for energy and growth. Okay? We're going to summarize the basic needs of a variety of different plants, including the air, water, nutrients, and light for energy and growth. So, what you will need and what you will learn from this activity guide. The first thing I'm going to show you is what you will need. You will need plant pots. It says two, but I prefer you to have one. You're going to need a package of seeds, a bag of regular soil, a scoop or a spoon, and a little small bag of fertilizer, and a little cup of water. Are you guys ready? All right, so before we begin, let's talk about how plants grow. So, plants, this is what you will learn as we do this experiment. Plants need the right amount of water and light to grow best. So, we're going to see if fertilizer helps plants grow faster. Okay, and we know that the soil and the amount of water that you use can affect how those plants grow. Okay, we're going to do this experiment to find out what's the best conditions we need to make this plant grow strong. Okay. So, what are things that plants need to grow? Can anybody tell me? Raise your hand and tell me what are things that plants need to grow. Yes, Armani, yes, that's right. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Anybody else? Yes, that's true. That's true. We do. They don't need fertilizer, but we can use fertilizer to help speed up the process of the plants growing. So you're right. Sometimes they need fertilizer. What else? Anybody else? Okay, yeah. Bobby, that is true. We do need the seeds in order to plant the plant. So that's right. They need seeds to grow. So how are plants important to us in our lives, our everyday lives? Can anybody tell me? Ashley. Hey, y'all, vegetables are plants. So we eat plants, okay? We grow our vegetables. Some of our grandparents might grow our vegetables. We might get vegetables from the market, but those vegetables were grown by someone, guys. Someone grew them. Okay, so anybody else? Kim, yes, that's right. Plants make the world pretty. We ride by plants, we ride by grass, we ride by different flowers. Those plants are grown by someone, guys. They are grown. Those plants have light, sunlight, and water to grow and become vegetables and become beautiful flowers. Okay, so the instructions are we're going to fill each pot with the same amount of soil. So I want you to go ahead and grab your pot. Okay, put your pot in front of you. I have my pot here. All right, so go ahead and put your dirt in. Let's go. Put your dirt in. Pour your dirt into your pot. Okay, after you pour your dirt into your pot, I want you to sprinkle a little scoop, a little bit of your fertilizer into your pot. Let's go. All right, so I want you to put your seeds into your pot. Put your seeds, put them on top of that soil. Go ahead and put them in there. Put them in there. All right, now take a little bit more of that soil, that dirt, and put it on top of those seeds. Come on, put them on top of those seeds. Just like that. Just like that. Mm-hmm. So then take your cup of water and you're going to pour the water. Let's go. Pour the water into your bowl, into your pot. Excuse me. All right, so make sure that you have a good amount of water and make sure you sit your pot in the sunlight. Okay? So I know I said we're going to start off with one pot. Grab your second pot. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go with your second pot. Now, I want you to do the same thing with your second pot, but this time we're not going to add any fertilizer. Are you guys ready? Go ahead and put your soil inside your second pot. Let's go. Pour it in there. All right. Now, you're going to go ahead and put your seeds on top. Go ahead and put your seeds on top. After you put your seeds on top, guys, I want you to go ahead and put a little bit more dirt on top of those seeds. Okay? I'll give you a little time to finish that. All right, so go ahead and do the same thing with the water. The cup of water, the little bit of water that we have left, that's what we're going to put. Are y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so I want you to sit there right beside your first pot. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to watch these fruit plants for about 6 weeks and see which one grows faster. Okay? We're going to observe. We're going to check on them. We're going to look at them. We're going to make sure that they are growing. Every day we're going to look at them for about 6 weeks to see which one is growing faster, the one with fertilizer or the one without fertilizer, okay? So plants are alive, guys. They take in the nutrients, they grow, and they reproduce. Plants grow best when they have the right conditions. That means they get the right amount of water and they get the right amount of sunlight to grow their best. So to better understand how plants grow, I want to show you a little short video, okay? A little short video about how plants grow.
Of plants starts with B. Plants are incredibly important. They give us food, provide us the air we breathe, create habitats and homes for many animals.
Pay attention, baby. Pay attention.
Because they are so important, it's necessary for us to know what they need to survive. So, what do they need? Almost all plants need 5 things to survive. Water. Just like us, plants need water to live. It is absorbed through their roots and travels through the stem and into the leaves. It also helps move nutrients around the plant. But be careful, too much water can drown your little buddy. Light. Plants need light for energy. This usually comes from the sun, but can be from an artificial light, such as light bulbs. Some plants need different amounts of sunlight, so that's why you see different plants in different countries, depending on how much sunlight they get. Air. Plants also need air to breathe. They turn the carbon dioxide that we breathe out and turn it into oxygen that we breathe in. That's pretty incredible. Soil. Although you cannot usually see them, plants have roots under the soil. The soil provides roots with water and nutrients, which is then transported to the rest of the plant. Space. If the plants are too close together, they will need to compete for these resources. Plants need space for the roots to spread out and grow. and so the plant has good access to light.
Aiden, stop talking.
Let's recap the 5 things that plants need to live: water, light, air, soil, and space. Well done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And
all right, guys, so as you can see, that's exactly what we were talking about. And that's exactly what we just did with our own plant. That's exactly what we just did with our own plant. So now that we have done our experiment, we're going to watch our pots and watch our plants grow for the next 6 weeks. We'll come back to this and we'll be able to see exactly how far our plants have grown and how much they have grown since those 6 weeks. Okay? We're going to figure out whether plants grow better with fertilizer or without. Do everybody understand? Now that we've done this experiment, everybody should know a little bit more about growing plants. And now you will be able to tell someone else how you grow plants, what you need to grow plants, and how important it is for sunlight and water to grow your plant. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that experiment, class. Go ahead and put up your materials. Go ahead and clean up, guys. And I will see you back here in 6 weeks. Bye-bye.